opposite of Marshall's Creek. Don't know if you can quite make out how quick the tide's coming in, but in about an hour's time this will be all covered by the 2 metre tide. Friday the 14th, 2 metre tide, so they reckon. And I'll just pause here because this is nature's marine enema. I won't go any further than that. You can see how quick it's flowing in. Looking straight into the sun, but I'm going to try and give you the impression of how quickly the water's pouring in the little entrance at Brunswick Heads. It's coming in at about 2 or 3 or maybe 4 kilometres an hour. It's around about an hour before full tide. This is little Torrefina Beach, Brunswick Heads. Not much of it left, and there won't be much more shortly. Almost entirely covered. Here you go. Fire and lighthouse right in there. A little movie shot. Pole on the little spur wall at Torrefina. The water's up to the base of it now. It should get a bit higher than that in the next hour. I'll sweep around here and you can see, oh my god, a little bit of magic. A view from the other side of the river now of the spur wall at the Marshall's Creek entrance. Just about under now. Couple of little rocks standing up here. Pelicans haven't got far to go. Had to get the kayaker in. At the moment it's measuring just over 1 metre AHD, which is approximately 1.9 metres, and this is the base of the spur wall at the Brunswick Heads Boat Harbour. 2.1, 2.2 would just about come to the bottom of this. safely, mate. Gee, I think he might have picked a lull. Hope he has. Got a few yards to go yet. Going alright. Peeler over the port, mate. Let's find out exactly what this does mean. I imagine that would have been on 1 AHT for a 1.92 metre tide, but anyway. Base of the pole. There's the Ferry Reserve Caravan Park. What do we got for a mark? Oh, those bolts. Yeah. I'll check it out one other day. 2 metre tide. This is the walkway that leads under the traffic bridges. And when we got floods, it goes about 150 mil or a bit more over the top of the deck. Well, that's it, folks. It's just starting to back out now, the old tide, but the rocks were nearly covered. Get nearly covered again. So long. Cheerio. After the mighty king tide, which was only about 1.9 metres, it's all gone back into the ocean again. This is Torokina. Plenty of sand now. It mightn't have been the highest high tide, but it's certainly the lowest I've seen for a long, long time. That's something, isn't it? Remember that pole? It was nearly to the base of that this morning. And now look at the beach. Heaps of it now. Remember this bridge from this morning at about 9:45 at high tide? Well, this is it at low tide. There's a good 2 metres rise and fall today. And it's still going out. And so, folks, we're back to where we started this morning when it was high tide. And now it is just about the bottom of the tide. Bit of a transformation, isn't it? This is covered in water. Standing with pelicans. Oh, look at that. inside it. And the water was able to make it out. So that's it, folks. Not too excitement. But anyway, on the Brunswick River, northern New South Wales. See you soon. One last one. Remember that pole over there? The water was nearly about a foot below that. Bye now. Caught this morning as well. I'm going to try and decipher this, but I'll look at the river gauges later. But it was on 0.6 or something like that, wasn't it? Now it's dead low tide.